In this video today we are going to discuss question set number 10 in our DBMS question series. In here they have given a question scenario here. Abeysekera Central College was the only active school in the area during the war season. There were only 15 students in the school. Also there were only 5 teachers and one of them was the principal of the school. The principal decided to add all students' details in a student's attendance marking system. So he would be able to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly at once. Think you are a reputed database engineer and the principal requested to make a database while another developer is developing the system. The details have been given below. Create a database named Abeysekera School and insert this data to the tables graphically. I use MySQL Workbench to create a database named Abeysekera School. After that, we have to create a table called student to store students' data. First column name is number, data type int, primary key, auto increment. Second column name is name, data type varchar, not null. Third column name is birthday, data type is date. After that, we have to create a table called equal. First column name is ID. Second column name is grade. ID data type int, primary key not null, and auto increment. Grade varchar length 10, no, 50. We have to create a table called village. First column name is ID, data type int, primary key, auto increment. Second column name is village, varchar not null. We have to create transport table. Table name transport. First column name is ID, int, primary key not null, auto increment. Second column is transport method. Transport method. Data type varchar. After that, we have to draw the relationships between the tables. First, we get these two tables, student and grade table. I use one-to-many relationships here because one student can stay in a one grade and in a one grade uh, so many students can stay. Uh, we'll go for village and student table. Here also one-to-many relationship. One student can stay in a one village. In a one village can so many students. In transport and student table, in here also one-to-many relationship, because one student can come from a one transport method, but in a one transport method many students can come to school. So we have created our database. After that we have to forward engineer. Now we'll open our MySQL. After refreshing the database, here you can see our capital level school. You can see our tables that we have created earlier: grade, student, transport, village. After that, in here this says create a database name capital level school. We have done it, and insert this data to tables graphically. After that, we have to enter these data graphically to the tables. First, we have to enter grade, village, and transport tables. ID1, grade 6. I have entered the all data to the grade table. After that, we have to enter the village details to the village table. I have entered the village details to the village table also. And we have to enter these transport details to transport table. After entering these grade, village, transport tables, we can enter student details to the student table. Number 1, named Saman Kumar. Birthday 2005. Third, date 12. Grade ID 6. Grade ID 6. Village ID 1. Transport ID is 1. Okay. Like this, we have to enter these all data to the student table. I have entered all the student details to the student table. Now we'll move to the first question. First question says select all students who study in grade 6. For this, we have to use join query, because our grade table is separate. So we'll type our query. We have to select all from. We have to select all from. After that, we have to give the database name. In this database, we have to select from student table. After that, we have to inner join the grade table. Inner join, we have to inner join the grade table on, and we have to see in the student table. In the student table, grade ID is equal to grade table grade ID. After that, we have to give the condition here, where grade is equal to 6. After executing this query, you can see here we select all students who study in grade 6. These 3 students are studying in grade 6. In the second question says, select birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. In the second question also, we have to use a select query. Select all from Abeysekera school dot student table, inner join village table, inner join village on student table dot village ID equals village dot ID. After that, we have to inner join the transport table also. On student table dot transport ID equals to transport dot ID. After that, we have to give the condition where transport method is equal to bus and village is equal to Padaviya. After executing this you can See the result set uh, that village is equal to Padaviya and transport method is equal to bus. In here we have to not select the students. Actually, we have to select birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. In here, not select all. In here, we have to select birthdays. We have to be by birthday. Now you can see here. And the last question says, please select names of the students who study at grade 9 and come from Vihintale on foot. In here, we have to select names. We have to select name from student table. We have to inner join grade table also. Grade table. After that, we have to say in student table dot grade ID is equal to uh, grade dot ID. After that, we have to join village table, transport table. After that, we have to give the condition. Transport method is foot, village is Mihintale. And grade is grade 9. In here, in grade table, we have to give the where transport method is food and village is Mihintane and grade is grade 9. After executing this, you can see the names of students that transport method is food, village is Mihintale and grade is 9. We see, okay. These are the requirements of question set number 10. So we'll meet from the next question set. Thank you.